I am Trisha Norga Esmeyama. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to tell you about something we already know. The love that started even before they met us. The love that we didn't earn, but still gave. And it's so unconditional that even with nothing, they will still strive to provide. And that love is called the love of parents. A love that's strong, often hidden in the things they do, like working hard to give us what we want, or giving, or in the different ways they love us. There's tough love, supportive love, sacrificial love, overprotective love, and so much more. Every love they give us, whether good or bad, brings laughter, silence, and treasure. Sometimes it's hard to communicate, and it's hard, and at times it's hard for them too. They're trying to understand us, to keep us safe, and to give us the best in the world. That's hard to navigate. But their voices, their action can grip us, making us feel like we're never enough, like it's us against the world. Yet, we have our parents, guiding us, helping us make things better. I think about my own struggle, the weight I carry, the sadness I can explain. And through it all, they're still here, never giving up. Friends have strength to love us when we can't see our worth. They remind us of who we are, not with just grand gestures, but by standing by us even we don't feel we deserve it. Even when they seem perfect, even when they give us everything, it can still be like something missing. A piece of us we must sacrifice to give their love. It's not their fault. It's not because they don't care. Just no matter how much they give, it often feels like it's never enough to truly be ourselves. Without the weight of their shoulders, we may not understand it, but it's their way of showing care for us. We're all navigating this journey together. I am Trisha Norca Esmeyama, ending the speech. Thank you.